Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Ford Ecosport alternator. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. Next, carefully lift the front of your Ecosport and secure it on sturdy jack stands. This provides crucial working space. Then, remove the front right wheel and the inner fender liner to gain clear access to the alternator. These initial steps are vital for a smooth and safe removal process. Now, let's tackle the belt and electrical connections. Use a serpentine belt tensioner tool to release the tension, then carefully slide the belt off the alternator pulley. This step requires a bit of finesse to avoid damaging the belt or other components. Once the belt is off, locate and disconnect the main power cable, usually secured with a nut, and then unplug the smaller electrical connector. Double-check that all wires are clear before proceeding. With the belt and wires detached, it's time to unbolt the alternator. There are typically 2 or 3 mounting bolts holding it in place. Carefully loosen and remove them. Once all bolts are out, gently wiggle and maneuver the alternator to free it from its mounting bracket. It can be a bit snug, so patience is key. Remember, alternators can weigh around 10 to 15 pounds, so be ready to support its weight as you extract it from the engine bay. Before installing your new alternator, always compare it side by side with the old unit to confirm they are an exact match. This prevents potential fitment issues. Clean the mounting surfaces thoroughly to ensure a good, secure fit for the replacement. Then, simply reverse the removal process. Bolt the new alternator in, reconnect the electrical wires, reroute the serpentine belt, and finally, reconnect your battery. Double-check all connections for tightness before starting your engine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.